Welcome to Bednik Tutors YouTube channel. In this channel, we will be breaking down topics of each science subject in order for you to have a better understanding of each topics. Because as a teacher, we believe that every student should understand fully every topics they are being taught. So, in order not to miss out on any of our videos, because all the videos we'll be uploading are very important, please do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, like and share. We also have a Telegram channel where you can communicate with us, ask us questions, and meet with other educators. The link of our Telegram channel is in our YouTube bio and comment section. Now, say these after me. I understand mathematics. I understand physics. I understand chemistry. I understand further math. That is a spirit. Bednik Tutors. Excellence is our word.
Hello, beautiful ones. It's another beautiful day today. I'm so glad to be in front of you, and I want to appreciate everyone out there watching our videos. Thank you so much. We are so grateful. I want to thank everyone who has subscribed to our YouTube channel. Please, we need more subscribers. Thanks to you, and God bless you. Alright, so now this is the last part. Yes, this is the last part in log reading. Yes, we actually make it to be long because this particular topic is very wide. Yes, so now in front of us is simultaneous linear equation in nature. So now we have to solve this simultaneous equation. Now this is in log reading, simultaneous equation in log reading. Isn't it amazing? Alright, let's quickly solve it. So now the first thing we're going to do is we have to ensure that this log 10, we equate it to both sides. So we just say equate log 10 to both sides. So now it won't be only in this side, we also change it. So it will now be log 10 base 10 raised to power 4. You understand? Log 10 raised to power 4 base 10. So log x base 10 plus log y base 10 equals to log 10 raised to power 4 base 10. I'm missing that now. This for the first equation. Now the second one is log x base 10 plus 2 log y base 10 equals to log 10 raised to power 3 base 10. This is equation 2. I'm missing that now. So now let's quickly do some magic now. So now we have log 10 log x base 10 plus log y base 10 equals to log 10 raised to power 4 base 10. So this is log x base 10 plus, so now this will be y squared. So this 2 will come to this side. So this will be log y squared equals to log 10 raised to power 3 base 10. So now let's remove the log 10. So let's remove it now. So we'll be left with x times y, because plus is what? Multiplication in what? Logarithm. So it's now be xy equals to 10 raised to power 4. Then this will be xy squared equals to 10 raised to power 3. Equation 1, equation 2. Do you understand? So now this sy squared now. So now wherever you see sy, you know it is 10 raised to power 4. You understand? So now from equation 2, just say xy. What do I mean? So now you know it's this sy squared. So want sy to stand alone, so we can substitute 10 raised to power 4 for xy. So now that's why we have to separate it. So from equation 2, we have to separate it. So we have 10 raised to power 3. So now wherever you see sy, you repeat 10 raised to power 4. So now, so we said substitute 10 raised to power 4 for xy. This is equation 3 in equation 3. So now sy is what? 10 raised to power 4 y equals to 10 raised to power 3. Yes, and 10 raised to power 4 is what? 10,000. 10,000. So that is 10,000 y equals to 1000. Do you understand? So we want y to stand alone. So we divide both sides by what? 10,000. Have you seen that now? So let's cancel the 0. So, okay, this is 3. Yes, so we are left with y. So cancel this is 0. So we are left with 1. Y equals to 1 over 10, or 10 raised to the power minus 1. Have we seen that now? So you now substitute what? 10 raised to the power minus 1 for y in equation, so that we can get our x in equation 1. So xy equals to 10 raised to the power 4. So what is our y? 10 raised to the power 1 minus 1, equals to 10 raised to the power 4. Do you understand now? So now we can just divide both sides by what? 10 raised to the power 1, so our x can stand alone. Minus 1. Have you seen that now? So now we have to clean. So now let's do the magic. So x equals to, since we have cancelled this one now, we are left with 10 raised to the power 4 over 10 raised to the power minus 1. So which is 10 raised to the power 4 minus, this is division. So division is minus, then minus 1. So x equals to 10 raised to the power 5. So that is our final answer. So our y is what? We got our y as 10 raised to the power minus 1, and we got our x as 10 raised to the power 5. So it's as simple as that. So let's quickly solve another question. Alright, beautiful ones. So now it's time for us to smash this question. Yes, it's time to smash it. So this is another simultaneous linear equation. So now, said if 2 raised to the power 2x minus 3 raised to the power 1, 3y equals to 32, and this log x base y equals to 2. So we have to find x and y. So now the first thing we are going to do, let's quickly change this one to what? Indices. Since we have this one in indices, so we'll change this one to 2 indices. Okay, so now the first equation is 2 raised to the power 2x minus 3y equals to 32, and this one is what? It can be y square equals to x. So it will be what? Y square equals to x. So now before that, let's change this one to what? 2 raised to the power 5, because 2 can give us 32 in 5 places. Do you understand? So that will be 2 raised to the power 2x minus 3y equals to 2 raised to the power 5. So this is y squared equals to x. Do you understand? So now, what we are going to do is we are going to cancel this 2. You get it now? So we cancel this 2. We will now be left with 2x minus 3y equals to 5. So now, and this is equation 1, and what? Y squared equals to x. This is equation 2. As you can see this now, we've gotten our x. So our x is what? Y squared. So wherever you see x, you substitute with y squared. So substitute y squared for x in equation 1. So it's straightforward. So now that is 2 minus 3y equals to 5. So this is 2y squared minus 3y equals to 5. So now this 5 will come to this side. So we are collecting the like terms. So now be minus 5 equals to 0. So this is 2 times 5 is what? 10. So now, what can you multiply together? When you multiply them, it's going to give you 10. And when you add them, it's going to give you 3. That should be minus 2 plus 5. So, sorry, plus 2 minus 5. So now 2 minus 5 is what? Minus 3. 2 times minus 5 is what? Minus 10. Do you understand? So that is 2y squared plus 2y minus 5y minus 5 equals to 0. You understand? So this 2y will come out. 2y. So now 2y divided by 2y squared. The answer is what? Y. Plus 2y divided by 2y is 1. Minus, so this 5 is common, so 5 will be out. So now minus 5y divided by minus 5 is what? Y. Minus 5 divided by minus 5 is what? Plus 1 equals to 0. Have you seen that now? So 2y minus 5. So since y plus 1 and y plus 1 is common, so you pick 1. Do you understand? So the y plus 1. If you do not understand this, just ask in the comment section below, please. Can you explain this? I don't understand this thing. You understand? And we might create a video. Do you understand? A separate video. So now it's common. So this 2y minus 5 will now be equals to 0. So that will be 2y equals to, when this minus 5 come here, it turns to what? 5. So divide both sides by 2. So y equals to 5 over 2, or 2 over 1 over 2. Then this y plus 1 also equals to 0. So y equals to, so when this 1 move to this side, it turns to 1. So now this is what? This is our y. You understand? So now we're going to substitute y, substitute 1 or 2 over 1 over 2 for y in equation 2. You understand? So we want to get our x. So s equals to, y is what? 1 square, or s equals to 5 over 2 all squared. So s equals to 1, or s equals to 25 over 4. Have you seen that now? So it's as simple as that. Very easy. You get it now. So you can just scan through it. Ensure that you watch this video twice. You understand? If you don't understand it, even without asking questions, if you watch this video twice, you will understand it, because they are what? Self-explanatory. You understand? So if you already know what, if you know what quadratic equation, if you know quadratic equation, then this one shouldn't be an issue. You understand? So let's move. Alright, beautiful ones. So now it's time to smash another question. But this one is what? Quadratic equation. So we are done with simultaneous linear equation. So now let's quickly solve this. So given that log 2x minus 1 base 2 plus log x plus 1 base 2 equals to 3, we have to find x. So this one is straightforward. This one is just quadratic equation. So now this is log 2x minus 1 and what? X plus y. You understand? So now we're going to what? Multiply. We multiply the two. So 2x minus 1, addition is multiplication. Do you understand? Okay, before then, 2x minus 1 plus log x minus 1 base 2 equals 2. So now let's change this 3 to logarithm. So it will now be log 2 raised to the power 3, base 2. You understand? So when this 3 come here, you understand? It's now be 2 log 2 base 2 is 1. So 3 times 1. So that's how we got this. You understand? So now what we are going to do is we are going to what? Remove this log 2, or just bring out log 2. So now be 2x minus 1. Addition is multiplication. So this one turns to x minus y equals to log 2 raised to the power 3 base 2. Do you understand? So we can just cancel this log 2. So that we can be left with 2x minus y, x minus y equals to 2 raised to the power 3 will give us what? 8. Do you understand? So now let's multiply. So now to be 2x to be x 2x minus 1 minus 1 2x minus 1 equals to 8. Have you seen that now? So now 2x, x times 2x, let's open the bracket. That is 2x squared minus x minus 2x minus 1 times that is plus 1 equals to 8. So now we have 2x squared minus 3x plus 1 equals to 8. So let's collect like terms. Minus 3x. This one comes here, turns to what? Plus 1 minus 8 equals to 0. So it's 2x squared minus 3x minus 7 equals to 0. Then we just use almighty formula. Not to waste our time, so let's quickly use almighty formula. You understand? This is the formula. B squared minus 4ac over 2a. So you can just use almighty formula. So our a is what? 2. Our b is minus 3. Don't forget the minus 3. Our c is what? Minus 7. So wherever you see a, you put 2. Wherever you see b, you put minus 3. Wherever you see c, you put minus 7. So what is our b? Minus 3. Minus 3 plus or minus 3 raised to the power 2 minus 4. A is what? 2. C is what? Minus 7. Have you seen that now? Over 2. So now minus and minus is plus. So it's 3 plus or minus. Minus 3 raised to the power 2 will give us 9. So it's 9. Minus times minus is plus. That will be plus. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 7 is 56. over 4. So 3 plus or minus, when you multiply this one, you're going to get 65 over 4. So now we now have 3 plus 65 over 4, or 3 minus. So if you know your almighty formula, this shouldn't be a problem. So now what is root 65? Root of root 65 is 8.06. So that will be 3 plus 8.06 over 4, or 3 minus 8.06 over 4. So now this will give us 11.06. When you add this one, it will give us 11.06. So the final answer of this one is 2.77. Or when you multiply, when you subtract this one, 8.06 minus 5.06, this is over 4. So final answer of this one is minus 1.27. So now that is our final answer. So x is either equals to 2.77 or minus 1.27. Do you understand? So that is that about that. So let's quickly move to another one now. Hello beautiful people. Alright, let's quickly smash this question also. Oh yes, so now if 2 log y base 3 plus log x squared base 3 equals to 4, then what is y? So now let's quickly do that now. So now what you do is this 2, you are going to put it here. So now be log y squared base 3 plus log x squared base 3. So now I'm going to introduce log in this words. We are going to introduce log in the other side. Now be log, since it's in base 3, so now be log 3 base 3, log 3 raised to power 4 base 3. You understand? So this is what will give us 4. Do you get it now? So now let's do the magic now. So we're doing out addition is what? Multiplication. So now it's now be log y square x square base 3 equals to log 3 raised to power 4 base 3. So what will you do? We cancel the log base 3. So we left with y square x equals to 3 raised to power 4. So now since we asked to get y, so this is y. Now I want to get y. So we make y the subject. Make y the subject of the formula. Okay. So that is y square x equals to 3 raised to power 4. So now divide through by x. So because we want to move this x. So we are left with y square equals to 3 raised to power 4 over x. You understand? So we want the power to be the same. So what? Make the power the same. So how are we going to do that? So now what will give us 3 raised to power 4? That is 3 raised to power 2. So you understand? Then this 2 over square. Sorry. So you divide both sides by what? S square. Sorry for that. So you divide both sides by S square. Do you understand? So this is x. All the same. So 3 raised to power 2. Since we also have S square, so this square is going to affect this x also. Do you understand? So now let's divide both power by the reciprocal of 2. Since they are now the same, the power are the same, so just do that. So now we have y square times 1 over 2, 3 square over x times 1 over 2. So now, have you seen that now? So this one cancels this. So y is now standing alone. Do you understand? So that will be 3 square over x. So that is x equals to what? 9 over x. Sorry, y equals to 9 over x. So it's as simple as that. So now that is the value of y. Okay.